Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's math tutorial is the evaluation of the log of 32 times 4 to the power of 1/5 and today's 2 root 2. The very first step we're going to take is to express 32 and 4 as powers of 2, and that is log 2 to the power of 5 for 32 times 4 is 2 to the power of 2, and that's to the power of 1/5, and the base is 2 root 2. One of the laws of exponents is the product of exponents. That is, when we have a to the power of m and to the power of n, that gives a to the power of the product of mn. This we apply to 2 squared to the power of 1/5, which means that we have the logarithm of 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 2/5. Then the base is 2 root 2. Our next step, we need to work on the base, and the law that has to do with fractional exponents. If we have the square root of x, it is x to the power of half. That simply means that the square root of 2 here is 2 to the power of half, such that we have the logarithm of 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 2/5, and in the base it is 2 times 2 to the power of half. Then we apply the law of addition of exponents. You recall that when we have powers with the same basis multiplying, we add their exponents. We are going to apply this to both the mantissa and the base. That means we have the logarithm of 2 to the power of the sum of 5 and 2/5, while in the base it is 2 to the power of 1 plus 1/2. Adding this together, we have log 2 to the power of 27/5 and to the base of 2 to the power of 3/2. Then we apply a special law of logarithm, that when we have the logarithm of a power and the base is also a power, it is the power of the log over the power of the base times the logarithm of a to base b in this case, such that we have 27/5 over 3/2 times the logarithm of 2 to base 2, and the logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. Thus the expression becomes 27/5 over 3/2 times 1, which is log 2 to base 2. And multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything, so we have 27/5 divided by 3/2, and that is 27/5 times 2/3. When the division is changed to multiplication, we invert the fraction that comes after it. Hence we have 18/5 in the simplest form of the fraction, and the result is 3.6. I want to believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can also post your questions and what you want us to solve for you in our next math tutorial. Don't forget to like, share this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so now. Click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any updates from my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next